Hey there, little linguists adventurers. Welcome to our jungle journey. Today, we're diving deep into the wild to meet some of the most incredible jungle animals. Some big, some small, and some with the craziest superpowers. So, are you ready to explore? Let's step into the jungle and meet our first wild friend. Watch out! Here comes the mighty tiger, the king of the jungle. With its beautiful orange coat and bold black stripes, no two tigers look exactly the same. These powerful cats roam the jungles of India, Bangladesh, and Indonesia, hunting for deer and wild boars. Tigers love swimming and can sneak up on their prey without making a sound. And here's something cool: tigers have striped skin, not just striped fur. Swinging through the trees, here comes a playful monkey. These little tricksters live in the jungles of Brazil, Thailand, and Madagascar. Monkeys love to snack on fruits, nuts, and even insects. Some of them are so smart they use sticks and rocks as tools to crack open their food. And guess what? Some monkeys even wash their food before eating, just like us. Stomp! Stomp! Look who's coming. It's the gentle giant, the elephant. Found in India, Sri Lanka, and Kenya, elephants use their long trunks to grab food, spray water, and even say hello to each other. They munch on leaves, fruits, and tree bark all day long. And here's something amazing: elephants can hear through their feet by feeling vibrations in the ground. Can you spot the sneaky leopard hiding in the trees? These fast and powerful hunters live in India, South Africa, and Brazil. They love eating meat, especially deer and small animals. Unlike other big cats, leopards can climb trees while carrying their prey, sometimes even heavier than they are. And here's a fun fact: leopards are great at hiding because their golden spots blend in with the leaves. Whoa! These jungle animals are incredible, right? From the sneaky leopard to the chatty parrot, there's so much to discover. And hey, if you're enjoying this adventure so far, a quick thumbs up really helps us a lot. For a small, growing channel like ours, every like and comment gives us a little boost to keep making fun, educational videos like this. So, stay with us. There are even more amazing animals coming up. Squawk! A colorful parrot just flew by. These chatty birds live in the rainforests of Australia, Mexico, and Papua New Guinea. Parrots love munching on nuts, seeds, and juicy fruits. Some parrots are so clever they can learn up to 1,000 words. And here's something funny: parrots dance when they hear music they like. A slithering snake is moving through the jungle. Snakes can be found in India, Australia, and Brazil, hiding among trees and rocks. They eat mice, birds, and even other snakes. Some snakes are harmless, but others can be very poisonous. And here's something surprising: some snakes don't just crawl, they can glide through the air like they're flying. Here comes the strong and gentle gorilla. Living deep in the forests of Congo, Rwanda, and Uganda, gorillas spend their days munching on leaves and fruits. These amazing animals can communicate with each other using grunts and gestures. And guess what? Gorillas laugh when they're tickled, just like us. Wow, what an adventure through the jungle! We met some amazing animals today, from the mighty tiger to the tiny but powerful poison dart frog. Nature is full of surprises, isn't it? If you enjoyed learning with us today, it would mean so much if you could give this video a thumbs up. Every little bit of support helps us bring more fun and educational videos your way. And hey, if you love discovering new things, why not stick around? Subscribe and join us on this journey of exploring the world, one word, one fact, and one smile at a time. Thank you for being here. We can't wait to see you in the next adventure. Bye for now.